Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate video stabilizer on Android phone. In this case, I'm using Vivo Y27s, the 2024 phone. So let's get started. Let's open the camera application, this one. And it's very easy, just tap on setting button at the top of your screen. And this one, stabilization is active. Just one tap and it's active. So in case on your Android phone there is no this setting, it means your phones do not support the stabilizer or ACE, electronic image stabilization. And also if you don't have this is like a shortcut, try to tap more setting and try the setting on your a setting feature on your phones or on your camera application, or you can try to install third party. There is some third party out there, but not as good as a from original or origin from the camera, a default application stabilizer. So please feel to try to stable your shaky video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.